Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. I have a special video for you today. Now I know I always talk about giving baked goods during the holidays, so this year I wanted to share with you a couple of my recipes, some of my favorite cookie recipes that I make every year. This first one that I'm going to share with you today is my Great Aunt Grace's Fresh Forever cookies. They are absolutely delightful. They are made with coconuts and slivered almonds, and they go great with a hot cup of tea or coffee. Let me show you how to make these delicious cookies. Oh, and you want to make sure that you stay all the way to the end, because at the end I have the full recipe, so you can stop the video and take a screenshot or copy it down. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into these delicious cookies. Preheat your oven to 350. Let's get our dry ingredients together. You need to start with 3½ cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ a teaspoon of salt. You can mix this together by sifting or simply by using a large whisk. Mix until all of your ingredients are well incorporated and your flour doesn't have any large clumps. Now we're going to cream our fats and sugars. You want to start with 1 cup of butter. Add 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, mix until everything is well incorporated and creamy. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of milk, or half and half, and 1 egg. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until fully incorporated. Now you want to slowly add your flour mixture. Once you have all of the flour added, just mix until incorporated. Make sure not to overmix your dough. Look at that beautiful, delicate dough. Add 1 cup of quick oats, 1 cup of fine coconut, half a cup of slivered almonds. Gently fold to incorporate into the cookie dough. Once everything is fully incorporated, drop from rounded teaspoons onto a Silpat or greased cookie sheet. Make sure to give about 2-inch spaces between each of the cookies. Cook in a preheated 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. You'll know when the cookies are done. They'll be slightly brown around the edges. You'll want to gently move them to a cooling rack and let them fully cool. The recipe makes about 5½ to 6 dozen cookies. These cookies are delicious, delicate, and quite delightful, especially when had with a cup of tea or coffee. They have such a light coconut and almond flavor. They almost melt in your mouth. They also freeze very well. I've made them up to a month ahead and kept them in the freezer and took them out the day I needed to distribute cookies to my family and friends. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed today's cookie tutorial. I absolutely loved my Aunt Grace, and I'm so fortunate that I do have some of her recipes. Thanks again for stopping by. It's always a pleasure to see you. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.